How to pay with PayPal on DHgate. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can pay with PayPal on DHgate.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So there are two different ways to do it. First of all, I'm going to show you that if I want to select an item, let's suppose this is my item, I'm going to add it to cart. Okay, this one. Now add to cart, I'm going into the checkout. So I can continue as a guest checkout in order to not to give any of my data by now, but obviously you must fill all this shipping address in order to continue. Once you have completed your address and your data and so on, you have to select your payment method. So there I have several cards and another payment method. In this case is Skrill one tap, and as I told you, here there is no PayPal, but we have two different options. First of all is the PayPal card. Not all the countries have this card, but if you can request this card, this is gonna just works as a normal debit card and you can pay with that card here. Okay, there's no worries for that. But in case in your country you don't have this option, you can go into recharge.com and you can try to buy like a card. In this case, I'm going to change my region to Australia to buy PaySafe card. And with PaySafe card, you can also buy those items here in DHgate.com. So not all countries have this access to PaySafe card. These are the countries that you can select this option of PaySafe card. By now, I'm going to do it in Australia, but anyways, you're going to be able to pay in any currency. And if you try to pay, let's suppose the 50 Australian dollars, you can select your payment method here, as you can see, PayPal. But this is gonna have an extra amount, a service fee of recharge.com that it's around 10%. It's kind of like that. But in that way, you're going to be able to obtain like a code, like the whole number of your credit card with PaySafe card and the security code and that data. And that way, you're going to be able to pay with this, okay, on DHgate.com with the PaySafe card, paying with your PayPal money. And that's it. That's how you can pay with PayPal on DHgate. Thanks for watching.